So today we are back fixing another car, but now it's not the Silverado or the Jeep or the Grand. It's a fucking exploder, yes. Overheating. Seems like it's the water pump, or the gasket at least. But that's today's project.
So what we doing?
So now Steve was saying, well, we gotta tear apart the fucking front face of the motor anyway,
okay,
of the engine, if it's the water pump. So we might as well start taking off the thermostat, see if it's rusted and doesn't move anymore, so that we can if it's rusted and it's not moving anymore, then there's your problem. That's why it's overheating. Since we gotta take it apart anyway, might as well start there, so that if that's the issue, we don't have to keep tearing everything apart, because then we gotta take apart. We gotta loosen the tensioner pulley, take off the belt.
Well, no, it's because once you fucking change
and take everything
the water
off,
flow, you'll be fucked.
hey, look me in the eyes and tell me you love me.
I love you.
Yeah.
Oh God.
What you got there, boy? Oh, that is nasty. I don't know if you can see that.
Just a shit fucking smudge on there.
Just right there. Nasty. Oh, there you go. It looks nasty.
Oh, guess what? Guess how to take that off? You have to rent a special tool. Is that America's ass right there?
That, my dear friends,
It's America's ass.
Ow!
is America's ass. Damn, you look fine in these. Right there.
I know, but it's hot.
I kind of can't.
There you go.
It had the floor. We're good.
So, you get the battery acid and you put it like a little,
Oh
like
my
a little
God,
cup,
I'm
right?
already hating where this is going.
And then you put some lime on it.
And a little bit of
Chop
water.
that shit.
No. And then you put it in the microwave
All right,
for.
let the shit cool down.
Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, right? Put the microwave for 30 seconds. And then everything evaporates, right? And then you got to scrape off the top of the microwave.
And you got alcohol.
No. And you snort that.
So I took off the thermostat housing, and now Steve's trying to get the actual thermostat off. Not going well. It's being a pain in the dick to take off. But there it is. Started puking water after I took the housing off. So I don't know if that means anything, Steve.
Shit. Well, this thing is stuck open. That won't move for shit.
Good eye, Mike. Okay, don't even start, because you're the one. You have bright ideas sometimes. That's it. Don't even start. What's the problem, Steve?
See how it's wet all the way in the back over there?
Yeah.
Even if it threw it out, it really wouldn't wet the block all the way back there. So, and the way it's nice and damp right there in between the block, even if you hose it down, it won't dirty the block like that. Like it's been wet before. You see it?
Yeah. Well, that's from when I opened it and all the water came out.
No,
it was dry.
No, but you can see the water marks from before.
Oh.
Before.
Yeah.
Because it had that little salt shit on it.
Yeah.
Water pump's right here.
Desalination.
So the water pump seals right here in the front.
Right.
That's against the block.
So what does that mean? Huh?
Not good for that. You have to take it all apart from the time. You're gonna start fucking with the timing if you go back there.
From just taking out the fucking water pump?
You're not taking off the water pump. You're taking beyond the water pump now.
Well, yeah, but you're not fucking with the timing though. You're just taking it off. How does that fuck with the timing if you don't touch the timing chains? So what do you think?
One, I think fuck Ford.
Okay.
You're making everything so overly complicated.
I don't know. My Ford motors were pretty simple.
Yeah, but
I didn't have a 4.0.
Timing, one in the back front. Everything in the front would have been gorgeous.
Well, that's what I had on the 4.6, but that was V8 on the Mustang.
Yeah, but wasn't that push rod?
No, only fucking Chevy makes push rods. They're yeah, it's mod motors. Nigga, did you crack the tank?
No, I didn't.
All right, then it's fine.
You're still recording?
Shit, yeah.
Boo.
You want to just try without the thermostat, see what happens?
Yeah, cause
troubleshoot.
taking that water pump, oh God, it's like.
Yeah, you gotta take out the fan
I'd rather
shroud.
go to the last circle of hell than fucking redo that shit.
Let's scrape off all the muck, run it without the thermostat, and see what happens.
Yep.
All right, plan. All right, so the game plan turned into we're gonna try. Basically, we can't the water pump or the thermostat. That's about as much as it opens right there. Tried pushing it open, won't go. So we're guessing this is what's creating the pressure, making it seep out of everywhere else. So if we just bypass the thermostat, cleaned off this surface, cleaned off this surface, and just bypass it and see if that'll work to keep it from overheating. If it's still leaking, then it's somewhere else. But that's the first troubleshoot that we're gonna do. Run it and see what happens.
Hi.
So we did the bypass. It's running without the thermostat right now, not leaking anything at all. But earlier we did the same thing and it puked out of nowhere. So what the fuck, Marty? So we're kind of confused right now. We're kind of confused right now as to what the fuck is going on.
That's gonna create pressure a lot more.
But it's not leaking at all. This whole time it's been running and not leaking. It's been like 5 minutes now.
I'm not really happy with that.
It's not leaking. Why? It's not supposed to leak.
I don't trust it.
That's where it leaked earlier, right here. But now it hasn't leaked at all. So I don't know if it worked or not, because earlier it spit it all out. Hey Steve, will you shut it off for me real quick? Nothing, dude. So, no clue if it's fixed or not, but we're gonna go test drive it. Just around the block real quick, see what happens. All right, let's go test drive this shit. So it's gotta be somewhere in the garage. Might wanna put the hood down first. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Oh, what the fuck? What the? I'm actually surprised the transmission is pretty smooth. It's normally the first thing to go out on these fucking things. Left tail light is out also. I think it's the left. Hold on. What the fuck was that? Oh no, it's the right tail light. Left one's good. What the fuck? I'm gonna get Steve on this shit right now because I have no idea what the fuck that is. But sometimes it, I don't fucking know. I don't get it. Oh, what is this? Damn, that shit looks, it's just a regular Raptor, but for some reason it looks like a fucking Pre-Runner. Oh, they have a whole pit truck right there for Baja. No shit. That's pretty cool. Since the temp gauge doesn't work, I'm just gonna look under it real quick, see if it's puking its guts out. Ah, so far so good. Not even dripping. The thermostat might have actually been the problem. That's a nice ass Impala. Alright, let's see. They got a whole ass Baja pit truck in here. God, I don't like that. Look at that. Oh shit. Okay, maybe a short circuit? I don't know, I'm gonna ask Steve right now. This steering wheel seems like it's crooked. Like it's leaned, you know, like this, but like this. Pretty weird. Oh, yeah, Yeah, fuel gauge don't work, temp gauge don't work. That's it seems like. I mean, from the gauges. Looks like they had a doubled in here before. Pretty smooth. Just rides like an old truck. Nothing, huh? I checked it over there too, there's nothing. Might have actually fixed it.
Was it already white smoke from the exhaust?
I haven't seen the back of it. Was that the white smoke coming out? No? Oh, you're talking about like a blown head gasket?
Yeah, he said that it was already blowing white smoke.
I'm pretty sure he saw the white smoke from when it overheats and the water goes on your fucking, on the block.
Rev it again?
Nothing, huh?
Leave it more back?
What you got?
Leave it right there.
I'll leave it on. See what happens.
Ah.
There's nothing, bro. Wow, you're dumb. They've been looking for this fucking plug for like a good 20 minutes for the back of this fucking stereo, which is for Marty's fucking truck. And they left it on top on the fucking roof. Way to go. It's a truck. It's a truck. Truck. It's not fucking leaking though. What the fuck? I'm gonna text Joe. Might have actually fixed the overheating problem. That's so weird. Might have been the thermostat. Dude, nothing, bro. I'm gonna leave it. It's 2:53. We'll leave it till 3 o'clock on. If it pukes, I'll shut it off. Otherwise, I'll turn it off at 3 and see if it does anything afterwards. Well, while the Explorer's running, let's see what Dumb and Dumber are up to. Remember, stupid. Gotta drive it home. Why do you just like to sit in the hot cars and then complain about it? Yeah, still not leaking.
Yellow and red always go together.
Okay. Where are the strippers at?
Casona.
He's like, alright, cut this, cut that, strip it or what?
You've seen me how to splice wires, so you should be.
I've seen you too, I still don't do it.
No, I know, but I'm gonna do it up.
But you know I had bad experience. You haven't had it yet.
What, wiring?
Yeah, bad experience with wiring.
Yeah, I don't want to pull that one off.
You do not. Scars you for life.
There's no way he can burn something with
That's what they told us last time. That's what they told. That's the exact same thing they told us with lights. It's not dripping still.
So I do it on this side?
Bless you. You want me to? A quick spurt?
No.
Why?
Fucking doors not gonna work later on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, at least some parts of your car are washed. Still nothing.
What's funnier than a dead baby?
2 dead babies.
Yeah, what's funnier than 2 dead babies?
4 dead babies?
A dead baby dressed up as a clown.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that? God damn it. I know what that is, dumbass. What's that?
The relay for the blinkers. It gets stuck.
Oh.
The reason I asked you if it's from San Diego is because that happens when there's a lot of marine layer.
Like the salt? This is the...
Because of this too.
Yeah,
That's what
the
San
salt.
Diego does to the fucking cars.
Yeah, Hawaii too. Okay, so this one works. This one doesn't.
That one probably doesn't.
That's what I'm. He said the backlight. No, it's going.
Why is it going so?
I'm guessing it's the side one. This one.
Ah, okay.
Oh look, but no, it's also blinking though.
Yeah, it is working.
What are you guys talking about?
What the fuck?
Blinkers.
Yeah, I don't know why it's blinking fast. If they're all fucking working. Yeah, working over here. Maybe because of that relay.
That shit. Marine layer rust. Oh, look at the fucking frame from right here.
No, it's not that bad. That's surface rust.
Yeah.
It's the flesh one.
It's disgusting.
It's a flesh one. You're disgusting too, but I still hang out with you. So I guess that's fine.